welcome back to Arts with Malavya. Hey guys, so we're doing his portrait today in the speciality of Flag Day. Hey guys, welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, so let's see what we're doing today. Yeah, you might be already doing the title, so let's see what we need. We need some HB pencil. It's you can use any pencil, but here I feel HB is more useful and good for drawing, or you can use drawing pencil. You'll be needing a gray sketch. This is not at all needed. I'm also not going to use this, but I'm just saying that you can use it for highlighting and stuff. You'll be needing some black sketch. I'm using Mala. Mala means M-A-L-A. It's just an IKEA product. I don't know what is Mala, but let's get started. Let's draw Sheikh Zayed. So as you guys know, the step 1 is to outline. As you can see, this is the exact same thing you're gonna do. This is a very short video, so you're gonna draw thin lines. You're just gonna draw the portrait of him with thin lines. And the step 2 is to draw the eyes. So you're just gonna draw it in the same way, and make sure the eyes are connecting to the eyebrows, because that's how the real portrait, not the real portrait, but the picture and everything looks. And yeah, his eyebrows is a bit thick, so that's why. So as you can see, the step 3 is to draw the mouth and the nose. It's pretty simple. So guys, and we're gonna color it without missing out any point. You can see I've made a lot of dots and mistakes. Yes, finally we are done. This was a very short and sweet video. As you can see, I didn't add any highlights. I only used black over here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.